Hello, today I'm making creamy cherry tomato pasta. This is a delicious dish that also saves you time. It is ready in a snap of a finger. So you'll start by boiling the pasta. Just water and salt, no oil at this point. Go ahead and boil it. And then you will prepare your cherry tomatoes. I recommend that you go for fresh cherry tomatoes, not any canned tomato variety for this recipe. And once you go ahead and wash your cherry tomatoes and then cut them in half, and then crush up some fresh garlic. Add 2 tablespoons of butter on a pan and cook the garlic for about a minute, and then you will add the cherry tomatoes. Now there are two ways to add the cherry tomatoes. One, you could puree them in advance and then add them like I did, or you could add the cherry tomato halves, and then once they've cooked up and they are mushy, then you can go ahead and blend the whole thing. Otherwise, you'd have to deal with a lot of tomato skin. Next ingredient is the heavy whipping cream. This is a must-have ingredient for its creaminess. Go ahead and I added half a cup, but you could add more or less depending on your measurement of the other ingredients. Mix that in. Now, I also have my books here, which I'm asking that you check out on Amazon and buy some. I would appreciate your support. These are really awesome books. Okay, back to cooking. So go ahead and add a third ingredient, which is cheddar cheese, about 2 handfuls of grated cheddar cheese. It will add that creaminess to the sauce and it's just gonna be so awesome. Now add in the pasta and mix it in, and then simmer for about 2 minutes just so the pasta absorbs all of that goodness, and your meal will be ready to serve. See how creamy it is? You could have this alone or you could serve it with another dish. In my case, I served mine with honey garlic chicken, which I'm going to show you here in a moment. Yeah, so I served mine with honey garlic chicken, and I have the recipe for this chicken on my channel. So if you think you like this chicken, go ahead and check out that recipe as well. And that is the end. Thank you for checking out this video. Bye bye.